Hey guys, this is Ghost. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be attempting a canvas painting for the very first time. Now, this was supposed to be a present from my mom, but the canvas took forever to get here, so it's way past her birthday, but hopefully she'll like it anyway. So here I have the canvas. Well, it's actually two. I'm just going to be using one of them. And here is the reference picture that I'm going to be using. It's a picture of my dog. She's very cute. I'm just going to set the reference picture to the side for now, and let me just open up this canvas. Oh, so it comes with these thingies. I forget what they're called, but I also don't exactly know how to explain what they're used for, but you put them in the corners and stuff. I'll do that later. I'll just, put those to the side, and just put the one that I'm going to be using right here. I like having a bit of a clean edge on my paintings, so I'm just going to take some masking tape and mask off the edges. Okay, so now for the background. I'm thinking I want to do very happy, cheery, springy, sort of pinkish background. So I'm going to use this pink, sort of a orangey red color, and some bright yellows. And you definitely want some white in there. Maybe a tiny bit of gold. I also really want to use up my old paints, so I'll be using some of that too. Yeah, those look right for some colors. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to squeeze out some paints. This might be a bit dry on the top, so I might have to cut out the bottom. And I'm just going to take my palette knife and try to make some random patterns, and then maybe add some more paint as we go. I don't know. I actually have no idea what I'm going to do. So it looks pretty monotone on camera, but it's actually pretty nice. I've got the pretty salmon pink color that I really wanted, and then I can see the swirls like kind of underneath it of yellow, little orange, pink, and white. It's really interesting looking, and I really like it. So now I'm just gonna let this dry. Okay, so I've basically cut out my dog from the picture to basically use it as a stencil so I can get a pretty good silhouette of what's going on. And I'm going to be using white for that. Alright, that looks pretty good, I think. So now basically I'm going to use this as a reference to sort of mark where everything else goes. So my dog does have some little flyaway fluffs of hair here and there, so I want to kind of recreate that. First, I'm just going to add that in. Alright, next I'm just going to, let's see, what can we do next? I'm going to take a pencil and then I'm just going to like sort of draw out where the colors divide so I know where to put what where, I suppose. For example, her paw stops here. Alright, once that's done, I'm going to mix up a very light yellow and paint it over the places that are slightly darker. I'm going to leave the highlights white. I may touch them up later, but anywhere that's slightly darker than that, I'm going to use a light yellow. I should also probably tell you already at this point, I should have said so in the beginning, this is not going to be a realistic painting. Now that that's done, I'm going to start going off track. I'm gonna add some blue to the painting. Okay, I think we're already looking pretty good. I'm thinking I'll put in some full-on green here and there. Even darker colors, I'm going to be using a dark blue. Alright, now we're going to go back to some more realistic colors and then use a little bit of brown to sort of add some depth. Then finally I'm going to go in with the darkest colors, like dark brown. And for some final highlights, I'm gonna add some white. Finally, I'm just going to peel off the tape. So the tape job wasn't that great, so I'm just gonna fix up the edges. And that's the painting. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!